Boys, today we have lesson 14.1. The name of the lesson is for pattern and probability. In this lesson, we are going to describe regular and random patterns, and we are going to do experiment and present the results. So here are some vocabulary words that we are going to learn in this lesson: chance, experiment, outcome, probability, random, and regular pattern. So see here exercise 14.1. Okay, what is pattern and how it is linked with maths? So pattern is very important because it links with all aspects of mathematics as well as other subjects. Chance is about the probability of something happening or being true. Probability means that it is a chance whether it will happen or it will not. You use it when you are making decisions. So probability we are using when we make decisions, such as what is the chance of rain today. So there was a lot of chance today to that for the rain. That's why we are learning online. So this is probability. Means the things that you are not sure whether it will be or it won't is called probability. Okay. Now moving on to exercise 14.1. Complete these regular patterns. Look at the order of the shapes. So you can see the first row, we have circle. After circle, we have square, triangle, sorry, circle, triangle, circle, triangle, circle. So what will be next? Yes, boys, what is going to be next after that? It is going to be triangle again. So this is called pattern. Like this you can draw here. Okay. So what is the pattern? That a row will start with the circle and it will end on circle. In between we are going to have triangles. So what is the pattern here? That circle, triangle, circle, triangle, circle, triangle, circle. This is what a circle comes after triangle. Okay, moving on to the second row, we have circle and two triangles. Circle and here is one triangle. Is it a complete pattern? No, it is not. After a circle comes a triangle, after triangle comes a circle. So here after one circle there should come two triangles. Just 1 minute. Like this, you have to complete the shape. So what you are going to do, draw here triangle, okay, then you are going to draw a circle. So this is how your shape is going to be, the pattern is going to be complete. Okay, moving on to the third row, we have circle, triangle, circle, triangle, circle, triangle, circle, and triangle. It is exactly like the first one. And this is exactly like the second one. And there what they did, a circle is before two triangles. Two triangles are after a circle. You can see here, circle, two triangles, circle, two triangles, and circle. Understand? So this is pattern. So pattern means any shape that you use should come after the one you chose. So here, moving on, coming back to page number 211. here. Use these shapes to make two different patterns. Draw what you have made. So let's draw a different pattern here using these shapes. So we will choose first a circle, and after circle we are going to use triangle. Like this. Then we are going to draw, take a circle again, and then we are going to draw a triangle. Again, this is the pattern that we are going to make on our own. It's our decision to make them, okay? So I choose circle, triangle, circle, triangle. So again, we are going to continue like this. After triangle, we are going to use circle again. And after circle, we are going to draw a triangle. So here is the triangle. What will come next? Circle again. So here are how many circles? 1, 2, 3, 4. And how many triangles? 3 triangles. 1 triangle is left. So you can draw that triangle here also to complete the pattern. Okay. Or you can draw it here because we started with the circles. So we will end on triangle like this. Okay, what about the next shape? Next shape we are going to use two triangles. Like this, and then we are going to put a circle. Understand? Like this, what you are going to do, you are going to complete this pattern. After every two triangle, you are going to use a circle. So these are called patterns. What are these called? These are patterns. This is how the arrangement of shapes on their exact place is called patterns. Arrangement means what is going to come after the first one. Okay, let's move on to, you will use colors to complete the pattern. Here is A, B, C, and D. Let's discuss the first one. So first, the rectangle, we have gray, and then after gray, we have two red. Gray, and then two red, and then we have gray. So here, which color of rectangles will come? Red. So you can use your red color pencils and color in these two boxes to complete your first pattern. Okay, choose like this. You can choose red color and color in these two rectangles to complete your pattern. Okay, moving on to B, we have blue, yellow, white, blue, gray, yellow, white, red, and yellow. Do you think it is a complete pattern? No, I don't think so that it is a complete pattern. It is not a complete pattern. So in question what it says, if the patterns are regular, complete them. If they are random, draw a ring around them. So what we are going to do, draw a ring around them, number B, because it is a random, it's not a regular pattern. So you can circle the B. Yes, like this, you can circle the pattern B. Okay, moving on to pattern number C. Red, yellow, red, 2 yellows, red, 2 yellows, and white and red. So it is also not regular pattern, it is a random pattern. What it is? It's a random pattern. So what we are going to do, yellow, red, because if there were 2 yellows then red, then it can be, we can color in this and we can make a pattern, a regular pattern, but it is not, so it is random pattern. So circle B and C. Okay, moving on to the D. What it what it is, a regular pattern or a random pattern? Blue, white, red, blue, gray, red. So here what we can do, we can make it into a regular pattern. How? Choosing a gray color. Actually, I don't have gray color in my palette, so I'm going to choose this one. You are going to choose the gray one. So it will be, just 1 minute. Okay. Blue, gray, green, blue, gray, red, blue, gray, red. What will come now? Blue. So in my palette, this is blue, and then we will choose the gray color. Okay, like this. So I completed my pattern using these colors. You can complete this pattern with the help of colors. So here you will color 2 reds, and C and D is going to be, make a random pattern of your own. Random means you can color any box here. Like I will choose red, then I will choose black, then black again, then I will choose yellow. Okay, like this, it is random. I'm not going to go back on green. These are called random patterns. What are regular patterns? Means green, white, green, white, green, white, green, and white. Then we will have green again. These are regular patterns. Understand, boys? It's easy. Just you have to follow the pattern rules. Regular pattern means the same box is going to repeat, the same color of the boxes is going to repeat after their on their turn. But random means you can choose any boxes to complete it. Okay, that was question number 1. Let's move on to question number 2. Just give me 1 minute to erase my screen. Okay. Moving on to question number 2. The arrow turn on each spinner. On which spinner is the arrow most likely to land on brown? explain to your partner why you think this. Look at which color takes up the most space on the spinner. So what we are going to do, here is a circle A and here is circle B. So on circle A, the arrow will most likely be on blue, and here it is going to land on brown. It is going to land on brown. So look here, arrow, they are turning on each spinner, each circle. So which is going to come on A? So you can write on A, it is blue. Here you can write space. Wherever you have space, you can write. It will be on blue. And here is the chance that it will be on brown. Okay, most likely it can be on brown. Work with the partner, you will need a coin. So here you are going to need a coin. You can use a coin for 1 real. Okay, so in this coin we have head and we have toe. This side we call it head and this side is called tails. Head and tails. Okay, head and tails. If you each toss the coin 5 times, what do you think result will be? Say what you think the result will be before you toss the coin. Complete the table as you play. So this is a game. Okay, so what you are going to do, you are going to throw the coin in the air, and before you throw the coin in the air, you will decide whether it will be heads or tails. Okay, so here is coin toss 1. Guess heads or tails. So for this you are going to need a coin to flip it in the air, and before flipping you will say whether it can, what is the possibility of coming heads or tails. So you are going to write here in the first box. Let's see, I will say it is heads, and when I throw the coin in the air and catch the coin, it is tails. So what it means that my guess was wrong, because guess and results are different from each other. The guess and results are different from each other. Okay, let me throw the coin again in the air and catch the coin. So first I will say it's tails. I will make a guess. Okay, and when I'm throwing it into the air and catching the coin, it turns tails. So this means my guess was correct and my answer is, or my result is also tails. So this means my guess was correct. Okay, my guess was correct, but here my guess was wrong. So complete the table as you play. You have to play with your siblings. You can choose your partner in the home, choosing your brother, sister, or you can choose one of your parents to play with you this game and complete the table and see whether your guess is correct or it is not correct. Understand? Okay, let's move on to question number 4. Okay. So in question number 4, you are also going to use a partner. You are going to choose a partner. You will need digit cards 0 to 9. Shuffle the cards and turn them face down in the pile on the table in front of you. Player 1 turns the top cards over and places it on the table so that it can be seen. Player 2 must say if the next card turn will be higher or lower. Okay, so what you are going to do in this question, you are going to use two cards. Like this, you are going to choose two cards, okay, and put them on the table, like red card, green card again, and different random, and there will be numbers written on them. For example, here it will be 6. Okay, so you will put it on table randomly, and you are going to see whether it is, the other partner is going to ask whether it is after 6 a higher number 8 will come, or lower number that will be any other number that can come. Okay, so this is also a type of a game that you can play with your partner. Okay, moving on to let's investigate. Work with the partner. You use a pencil to hold a paper clip at the center of the spinner. So here what you are going to do in the middle, you are going to put a pencil in the middle of this spinner and spin it. Okay, so how many times it will come red when you player 1 is playing? So you will say it is 1 time it is red, 2 times it is blue, like this. So when you are playing together with the spinner with your partner, you will say 3 times red and 1 time blue. So, or you can, if it you're playing 5 times, so you will add the number. So this is the game that you are going to play. So that was all for math class. I will see you in your next class. Take care and have a nice day.